What are migratory birds? We'll know in this video. So let's start the video. Bird migration is the regular seasonal movement, often north and south along a flyway between breeding and wintering grounds. Many species of bird migrates. Migration carries high cost in predation and mortality, including from hunting by humans, and is driven primarily by availability of food. Birds migrate to move from areas of low or decreasing resources to areas of high or increasing resources. The two primary resources being sought are food and nesting locations. As winter approaches and the availability of insects and other food drops, the birds move south again. The few examples of migratory birds are